This luxury treehouse in Remsen, New York is absolutely incredible, with an 80-foot cable bridge leading you right to your Airbnb, along with a 50-foot waterfall cascading down the hill behind it. This place is amazing. This treehouse is one of 3 incredible Airbnbs on the Evergreen Cabins property. We were able to stay in the other 2 and experience all that they have to offer, so you have to check out those videos. But we're gonna be giving you a full tour of this luxury treehouse sitting right back in this beautiful nature nook. Behind me here is the 80-foot cable suspension bridge, so you really do feel it. It makes it feel magical as you're walking out here. Coming to the front door, something I love about this treehouse is all of the natural wood colors. But inside is a style that's very unique compared to any Airbnb we've stayed in. You walk right inside to the beautiful kitchen with those dark woods and colors. They've got everything you could want in the kitchen, and then it opens right up to the living room, and then definitely my favorite part, the floor-to-ceiling windows that look out on that 50-foot waterfall that comes right down into a little pond here. In the living room, they have a nice comfy couch with some seating chairs, a real wood-burning fireplace and a TV above it, and then a large fan to keep it cool in here too. Over here, they've got a little dining table, and then back behind me, we're gonna go upstairs to show you probably the best interior parts of this place. At the top of the stairs, you have some bunk beds built into the walls with their own little lights. Over here is the beautiful vanity with some of those Edison bulbs. And then across from the bunk beds is this gorgeous bathroom, giant shower with double shower heads, and then of course a sparkling chandelier above. It really adds to the aesthetic of this place. By the way, if you're a host of an amazing and unique Airbnb that you would like for us to feature, you can go to journeymore.com and fill out the contact form. We would love to work with you. This is the master bedroom. Right here is the king bed with some storage on each side and a couple of lamps, and then plenty of outlets to charge everything. And then across from the bed, they have a Christmas tree still up, which we are all for that. And then a large mirror and some different decorations, and then the TV, of course, and then a little reading chair over here. But definitely the best part of this is, again, the huge windows that overlook that beautiful waterfall coming down into that pond. Now let's check out the outside. If you're enjoying this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. We would love to take you along on all of our adventures and to these amazing and unique Airbnbs. Out on this side porch, you've got a couple of little seating areas. And then out back here is, of course, what you've all been waiting for, the beautiful courtyard area. We have a fire pit area over here with that awesome metal fire ring that they have Evergreen Cabins engraved in. Absolutely love that. And then some string lights hanging over it with those wooden chairs. And then you've got a grill, and then of course the 50-foot waterfall and this beautiful little pond. While Nikki and I were here, there were some ducks that came in and would swim around in the pond. So you really get to enjoy some wildlife and have a very relaxing time while you're here. If you want to book this treehouse for yourself, we will leave a link in the description below. My wife has been very sick this trip. We've had to get 3 Airbnbs filmed and created 21 TikToks all within 2 days. And this is after a big trip in Virginia and Pennsylvania, and she has been a real trooper. So this is for you, babe. I love you. You're amazing. I know you're gonna be crying when you see this because you have no idea that I'm doing it, but you are the best. I love you.